You looking mighty sweet.
Seymour, Seymour.
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me. Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. A little late a drink.
I don't know if I should.
A little lady be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Your bridges are trying to pour
Don't
me.
need no glass and no ice.
I will get the beer.
Don't need no twist of line.
Here we go.
And now it's supper time. Relax, sweetheart. It'll be easier. Come on. Join your dentist friend and Mushley. They're right inside.
Give me to the plant so it can live to bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Oh, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So, in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me. You'll see me run bloom. I'm feeling strangely happy now, contented and serene. Our doubt is deep. Finally, I'll be somewhere dancing.